Space, the final frontier. You've dialed up the voyages of the bros of the brew. Today, our mission is to meet online and talk about science fiction and have a adult beverage. Hi! Oh my god, I think I should win an Emmy for that horribly ad-libbed intro. But Jersey Joe here, Eye on the Box over there. We got a little space talk tonight, as you saw in the headline at
We're
the
going to
top.
have to ship Joe off to Uranus.
Yes. But Joel, you're a science fiction fan, aren't you?
Kind of. I don't really like science fiction, but I know what you're getting at, and yeah, I like outer space.
Yeah, outer space is cool. You know, we've talked about that a few times on this show, and you saw the quote, topic I put out on social media. Would you ever travel to Mars? Join a live conversation right now. Hit us up. Tell us what you think, either right here live or on Twitter. Would you ever travel to Mars? Doesn't matter how you're getting there. Would you ever want to go? We look forward to hearing some of your funny answers, because we got a few good ones coming up here in just a moment. But Joel, let's go to you first, as always. Would you ever want to travel to Mars?
No. That shit. You guys ever watch that footage of the Space Voyager thing shuttle that tried to launch in 1986 and it went up in the air?
The Challenger?
Yeah. And then the little ball thing that all the people were in kind of fell back down to Earth and hit the ground, and everybody that was still alive died. It was fucked up.
Well, I'm going to date myself here, because I will tell you that I saw that live on television when it happened. We had a snow day, and we were stuck at home, and I actually got to see that live on NBC, with Tom Brokaw telling us all how it did and how it happened. But that's not important. That's a sad thing, though. But would I ever travel to Mars? Yes, I have no problem traveling to Mars, except I don't want to go right now. I don't want to go until A, we have a reliable way to get there, because I'm not going to Russia to catch a flight into space. We shouldn't have to do that now, so that's already scaring me. Maybe Elon Musk or SpaceX or Virgin Galactic, whenever they get that figured out, can get us up there. But B, the second reason I'll wait until they have like a nice hotel up there. When will the W open? Maybe Trump will put a nice hotel up there that I can go to first with all his gaudy gold chandeliers. Or at least I need a bar and a casino before I go. So not quite yet, and I'm sure there'll be a Starbucks up there anytime. But I'm not in a mood to travel there just yet. But Joel, once they have things built, a hotel or any of that, would you still not want to go?
What's there to do on Mars that you can't do here?
Mind blown. I don't know. Eventually, at some point, I'm sure it'll be like a nice resort destination. I mean, I don't know. There's nothing to do there now, but someday there will be. There'll be a Starbucks, a beach, and a lake. Who knows what? So those amenities are coming, and I'll wait till AAA gets them a good range, find out which you go to first. Let's take a couple of your comments right now, so you got lots of them out there. Would you travel to Mars? Because Vamos Yankee says, no, thanks. Jamie Zimba says, yes, absolutely, in a heartbeat, my bags are packed. That might be a little premature, but Jolie, he writes in and he says, legends have it that maybe we originally came from Mars, and he sent us a picture of a cat flipped out as a gift. So that's a question for you, Joel. Do you think that humans maybe have some Martian DNA in us?
No. I think we have a shitload of dinosaur DNA being hanging around on Earth, but I don't think we have Martian DNA. Nah.
Interesting, because sometimes I wonder, if we're an experiment that they aliens made or Martians made or whatever, because we definitely would fit into that pattern. It's, okay, it's a sci-fi story, but...
If we're an experiment, we're like the ants that everybody put in the little ant farm and then gave, a shitload of ant crack to the ants. And now we're just a reality TV show, and we're just a goof experiment.
Yeah. Do you think maybe the Martians are watching us? Who knows? I'm sure we're definitely, as you say, a bad reality show. But hey, we can't be any worse than Jersey Shore. That show. Remember that? Yeah. All right. Enough.
Don't tempt fate.
Exactly. Let's take more of your comments right now, because Tara writes in and she says, I would not venture to Mars, but I would love to go to outer space. It's so my thing. I'd like to go to the moon and see both Jupiter as well as Saturn. I'd go to the moon. I would do that again once there's more amenities there, but me, I'm out for Saturn and Jupiter. I don't really have the desire to go to just a big ball of gas. It's not even solid, I don't think.
Yeah. The cool thing is you can just, put a camera on a satellite and then just hook it up to your PS4 and watch it in your living room. I do. Yeah. So you can always just see space from your living room now.
That's very true. There's an app for that. And if I want to get a big ball of gas going, I'll just hit a Taco Bell drive-thru. Oh, look, bathroom humor. Okay, let's take another live comment right now. Because Coded and United says, I would definitely travel given the option, but Mars would be a very long distance, so the moon would make a better destination. Oh, we got another moon one here. Let's take one more. Mr. Pizarro says, yes, I would love traveling to Mars. I'd live the rest of my life exploring, taking photos, getting samples for scientific research, sprinkling algae in areas already researched so that one day Mars could be like an Earth too. I don't know if we need to make Mars an Earth 2 because I think we've pretty much screwed up Earth 1 as it is.
I was about to say, that was my initial reaction too. How about we fix the fucking planet we're on instead of worry about another one? Especially one like that's probably going to kill us anyway.
Yeah, but I mean, they are already doing research to send people up there. They had that contest last year, some millionaire here in New York, where you could go online and register to be one of the first 40 people to colonize Mars. And supposedly they were training, building bases and stuff. So there are really plans to send humans up there. So this really isn't that far out. And I think it was 2020 it's supposed to launch or something, if that date still holds.
But the moon, the thing that I like about the moon answers that we got is you can come back from the moon in a reasonable amount of time. I don't even think you can come back from Mars. I think that's only a one-way trip.
Yeah, it is a one-way trip.
Based on human lifespans.
And wouldn't that be a really bad one-way trip, too, if they, lost your luggage on the way? Because the airlines, I'm sure they'll charge you, $25 extra for the carry-on, too. They're going to nail
at least 25. It might even be 30 after tax.
yeah. They're going to find a way to tack on those extra fees. And I wonder what the meal in first class will be like. All right. Well, one way to determine this, let's go to our poll, because you guys always put a great answer out in the poll. Here's the question. Would you visit Mars if you could? The poll came out 50-50. No, I have no desire of 50%. Yes, let's go 50%. It's why'd we take the poll? There was no reason to take a poll because we actually don't have a definitive answer. Oh!
Yeah. Anyway.
Yeah, so, all right, you guys are clearly, you're kind of you're confused on this topic, as are Joel and I. But let's go to Dennis, because he has a comment, as he always has a showstopper for a final comment. Dennis says, why on earth would anyone want to go to a place with no beaches? No beaches means no bikinis, no surfboard, no tiki bar. Oh, Dennis, all right, you're singing along with me now. Like I said, tiki bar. You need a nice tiki bar up there. And maybe once they figure out how to, we could breathe in, the atmosphere and stuff, maybe then we could, take a soak in the Martian water or whatever. And don't forget, they did find there's actually water up there on Mars. It's underneath the sea, so there could be something to it, There could be you could maybe be on the beach later, but I think you'd have to do it now in an environmental suit. But Joel, like Dennis was saying, I'm not going there until they have more things to do, but at least that man is looking for a tiki bar and naked women.
Yeah, I mean, right now it would be like moving from a Beverly Hills mansion to a crack den in the hood. So why don't we just give it a minute? Let's see what they can put out there.
Yeah.
And then maybe 1,000 years from now.
Yeah, we're definitely not ready to do that yet. Let them colonize, let them taken care of, and sell those sponsorships and open up the chain restaurants and the Rainforest Cafe and everything else they're going to have up there. Well, hey, one thing we want to do is thank our live viewers
out there. Nobody wants to eat Matt Damon's shit potatoes. We need a real restaurant.
Oh, that's right. That's right. He is growing that in that greenhouse bio-renewable food or whatever. And I'm sure on the menu is all that hipster food too, like kale and chipotle.
Oh.
Yeah, that's right. Well, one thing you want to make sure that you do, though, however, is click that like or subscribe button so you miss any more episodes of this web show. Or Thursday's Kicking Back with Jersey Joe. Let me ask you this. Are you a nice person? Well, on Thursday, you'll find out if you are or not with my etiquette test. That's right. It's a fun little test to find out if you're really a nice person. Thursday on Kicking Back with Jersey Joe. And I hope to God, Joel, that when we do finally colonize Mars, we'll be cool and civil about it. It's not like when people fight to get on the subway here, knock over women and small children. Can't we all just get along?
No.
No. Yeah, I know. No. We got to have some kind of laws or rules because, as you know, we're probably going to fail that too eventually after all because capitalism, it's all about the guy with the big bucks. Oh, let's not even get into what healthcare and stuff would be like up there. But all right, big topic. I want to thank all of you for sending this nice stack of messages in. Jersey Joe here, Eye on the Box. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time, I hope.